Praise God. I can see that still many people are confused with how tax deductions actually happen. Some still think like if, for example, if someone's salary is 20 lakhs per annum, so as per the new tax regime, tax slab, 30% rate is levied on salary of more than 15 lakhs per annum. So in that case, 30% is imposed for 20 lakhs per annum directly and the tax is deducted. No, that is not how it happens. So in order to clear this confusion, I thought I will make a video so that it will be easier for you to understand how deductions actually happen. So let's begin with the taxable salary income. Tax is exempted for up to 7 lakhs per annum. As per the old regime, it was 5 lakhs per annum. So if we consider someone's salary is 11 lakhs per annum, then as per the new tax regime, split this 11 lakhs into 1 lakh each. And as per the new tax regime, as we can see, 0% tax rate is imposed on first 3 lakhs of that 11 lakhs. And 5% is imposed on 3 lakhs and 1 rupees to 7 lakhs rupees. So the difference is of about 4 lakh rupees. So for these 4 lakhs, we have to pay an income tax of 5%. And it is not from 0 to 7 lakhs that the income tax is 5% for that whole amount. So it is only for 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs. And similarly, from the next 7 lakhs and 1 rupees to 10 lakhs, we have to pay a tax of 10%. As per the example, we are considering 11 lakhs per annum. So it falls under the slab of 10 lakhs and 1 rupees to 12 lakh rupees. So here 11 lakhs is 1 lakh more than 10 lakhs. So as per the data, we have to pay 15% for that 1 lakh and not 15% of tax for the whole 11 lakhs of income. And say for example, if your salary is 10 lakhs, then it will fall till 7 lakhs 1 rupees to 10 lakhs per annum. Must be aware of TDS, tax deducted at source. So this is self-explanatory. The employer who gives us salary, they deduct the tax directly while giving us the salary. So that is called tax deducted at source. Some percentage of money is being deducted as tax from the employer themselves so that there is no problem for collecting the income taxes. The remaining amount has to be paid by us when we file ITR, income tax returns, taxable salary, and still TDS has been deducted. Then in that case, we can declare it in ITR form and get it refunded, or we can fill a form and submit in the bank and our money that was deducted will be refunded back. So there are differences in new tax regime and old tax regime. There are pros and cons accordingly. We have to opt for any one of the regime wisely so that we can save a lot of money, because there are many deductions that are being considered in the old regime but not in the new regime. In the old regime, standard deductions of up to 15,000 was allowed, whereas in the new regime it is 75,000, 25,000 more than the old regime. In the old regime, we were imposed a tax of 10% for 7 lakhs, but in the new regime it is 5%. We can have an Excel sheet ready that will tell us taking which regime will save us more money, as there are deductions that are considered in the old regime but not in the new regime. This was all a brief about how tax deductions actually happen. Do let me know if you need any knowledge on any other topics. Thank you.